Hi, P4 boys and girls. This is Misao. Have you ever asked people for directions or given directions to people in the street? Our learning objective today is to locate information and to ask for and give directions in context. Let's have some warm-up games. What about playing the Simon Says? Today, there will be a special guest to join us. Let's see who he is. Ta-da! Mr. Pinocchio! Welcome! Alright, it is our honor to have a special guest to join us. Welcome to our P4 classroom, Mr. Pinocchio. Yes, we are glad to have you with us to practice how to use imperative to give commands and tell directions. Thanks a lot for joining us. Let's play the game Simon Says, alright? Okay, do you know how to play Simon Says? Okay, so you may raise your hand to speak or answer any questions. So Michelle, I'll tell you how to play it. Michelle will call out some commands. If Michelle begins the sentence by saying, Simon says, then please do the action. If Michelle does not begin with Simon says, then Mr. Pinocchio should not do any action, understand? Okay, so let's try. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Simon says, raise your left toes. Wow, you can do it quickly. Well done. Okay, next round. Simon says, put up your left hand. Yes, good, left hand. You did it. Great job. Simon says, put up your right foot. Wow, you can fly. Yes, good, you did it. Right foot. Simon says, put down your right foot. Oh, is your right hand right? Yes, good, you did it. Put down your right foot. Simon says, put down your right hand. Yes, perfect. Michelle says, put up your right hand. Wow, you stand still. You did not do the action. Perfect. Simon says, put down your left foot. Yes, good. Simon says, put your left hand on your face. Yes, good. Simon says, put your right hand on your face. Wow. Simon says, put your left foot on your right foot. Yes, good. Simon says, put your left foot on your face. Wow. Simon says, put your left foot on the ground. Thank you. Simon says, put your right foot on your ground. Simon says, stand properly. Okay. So, are you okay? Oopsie. Oopsie. Simon says, stand properly. Stand properly. Okay. Yes. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Pinocchio. See you next time. After this warm-up exercise with Mr. Pinocchio, perhaps most of you do understand we should use imperative to give directions. That is, are you okay? That is, use the base form of verbs to give the command or give directions. So, see you next time, Mr. Pinocchio. Alright, bye-bye. When you are lost or you don't know where you can find a place, what will you do? If you are familiar with using and reading Google Map, you can find the route with it, like this. Or you can ask the directions politely, like, where can I find the post office, please? Let's look at the example and do the role play.
Sally, can you help me, please?
Okay, Mom.
Go to the post office, please.
Where's the post office?
It's on Sejong Street.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
Go straight. It's over there.
Thank you very much.
Let's role play.
Do you have some more ideas to give directions now? Do you remember we were used to use prepositions to describe positions? For example, Sam is hiding behind a chair. Behind. A tree is in front of the park. In front of. Or Joshua is sitting next to Tenzing. Next to. Annie is swinging between a rock and a house. Between. Sometimes we would use left or right, opposite to, etc. to indicate the positions. Today we are going to learn some more useful phrases to indicate where a place is. We usually make use of the phrases like go straight ahead, or the place you want to find is next to, or opposite the, or it is on your left, it is on your right. Let's go through these useful phrases of giving directions. Let's look at the example. First of all, turn left, turn right. In Scratch, how to make your sprite turn left or right? Yes, rotate left 90 degrees or rotate right 90 degrees. Go out. Go out means to go forth, to go outdoors, specifically to leave a place. Go straight ahead means go straight forward. Next to. The post office is next to the bakery. Next to refers to two objects or persons that is at the side of each other. It is different from near. Near is close to each other, with little distance. Opposite. Opposite is something or someone who is across from you or who is on the different sides as you are. A typical example of opposite is the side of street. The post office is opposite the fire station. On your left, on your right. That's when you are facing the bakery. Is it on your left-hand side or right-hand side? And can you identify which one is your left hand or which one is your right hand? The bakery is on your left. The convenience store is on your right. Okay, now please get your textbook and class suspension worksheet ready and turn your textbook to page 14. Practice 1. Are you ready? You can find a map there. Yes, great job. However, some names of places are missing on the map. Our mission today is to listen to the conversation of the tourists with the receptionist and to find out where those places are. First of all, can you see there are 3 tourists? They are the tourists visiting Hong Kong. Now they are at the reception at the hotel. There is a lady who is helping the tourists. She is the hotel receptionist. What do you think a hotel receptionist do? Class 40cc. Can you guess what the hotel receptionist do to serve the tourist? Yes, she will greet and help the tourist to answer the questions. Great job. So what do you think the tourists want to ask? Look at the pictures in the thinking bubbles. Perhaps they are finding the way to go shopping, to buy stamps, newspaper, and bread. Where do you think they can get all these things? Okay, class 4A students. Tenzing, Jenny, Joshua, Habib, Saba. Where can they get the stamps? Yes, they can get stamps from the post office. Great job. How about newspapers? Class 4B students. Bobo. Can you get the answer? Right, they can get newspaper from the newsstand. Perfect. How about buying bread? Class 4C student, Lavico. Where could the tourist buy the bread? Yes, they can buy bread from a bakery. Great job. Now we are going to listen to the conversation between the tourist and the receptionist. Please write the names of the missing places on the map. Get ready your pencils and eraser. Here we go.
Excuse me, where can I buy some stamps? You can go to the post office. Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The post office is on your left. It's next to the fire station.
Excuse me, where can I buy a newspaper?
You can go to the newsstand. Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The newsstand is on your left. It's next to the convenience store.
Excuse me, where can I buy some bread?
You can go to the bakery. Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The bakery is on your right. It's opposite the newsstand.
Alright, let's check the answers. The first tourist said, "Excuse me, where can I buy some stamps?" The receptionist answered, "You can go to the post office. Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The post office is on your left. It is next to the fire station. You can find the fire station here. So the post office is here. Are you correct?" The second tourist, he asked, "Excuse me, where can I buy a newspaper?" The receptionist replied, "You can go to the newsstand. Go out of the hotel, go straight ahead. The newsstand is on your left. At the left again, it's next to the convenience store. You can find a convenience store 24 hours open. So here is the newsstand." Number 3, "Excuse me, where can I buy some bread?" You can go to the bakery. Go out of the hotel, go straight ahead. The bakery is on your right. It is opposite the newsstand. So you can, when you find the newsstand, you can find the bakery. It's opposite the newsstand. Alright, marvelous. Most of you have done a fantastic job. Let's do some more practice. Do you remember when you are going to find a place, what you should ask? Yes, we should use the question word where. Where can I find the post office? Where can I find the bus stop? So let's practice. Look at the picture. The little man said, "Where can I find the school, please?" He is at the playground. The first step, go out of the playground. Go straight ahead and turn right. The school is on your left. Are you correct? Perfect. Next question. The little man is in the cafe now. How can he get to the bus stop? Where? Yes, good. Where can I find the bus stop, please? And how would the Google Map answer? Yes, first of all, go out of the cafe and turn right. Go straight ahead. It's on your right after the cake shop. Yes, good. Let's review what we have learned today. And please turn to your book, page 13.
Where can I find a bank? Where can I find a bank?
Go out of the MTR station. Go out of the MTR station. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. The post office is next to the fire station. The post office is next to the fire station. The post office is opposite the fire station. The post office is opposite the fire station. The post office is on your left. The post office is on your right. The post office is on your left. The post office is on your right.
This is the end of the lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn some more language for asking for and giving directions. So see you next video. And P4 students, if you have any questions about your class suspension worksheet or classwork, you are welcome to ask Miss Ao and your English teacher through WhatsApp or WeChat. So see you next video. Bye bye.